We're a warm up for Anopa Himfi. I'm really disappointed in Miami Nyazuba. I'm really and highly disappointed. No Ratry Park as part of your warm up now. I'm so disappointed about the state of Ratry Park. What is happening? A project, S0rry, ambassador, Honorable Kujobonsu ye, Shedi so terrible. Fountain I say, and
I was a former Munina Makwaba at Bagan and Sam TV so. One more is like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Say next time. Videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin as watch their wagging or comment section for them. Said Munim Danny from Mr. President. Maybe whom from Mr. President and Major also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section or Major also. Who see I'm a TikTok and I pay Mr. President and Major also sir. Kwede o baby agenda MPP. So the Munim your opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They join on the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party and menu kono. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Mahama president. Now also the problem about India so selkebi. Na my kan yi you John the money Mahama the book at neze ebu die. Ya me ni amene am fa the Messiah Dr. Mahama ni amade na asem bebe fie. Na once again me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanyosem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne yeye amanyosem nye mprint ne amanyosem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? You shouldn't forget, say, politics, no, your mouth to me, say, Fabity Manful in him, your mouth to me, say, Fabe, it is all your software. Oh, yeah, ordinary Ghanaian. Oh, yeah, educationist. Oh, yeah, medical doctor. Oh, yeah, one, once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
We're a warm up for Anopa Himfi. I'm really disappointed in Miami Nyazuba. I'm really and highly disappointed. No Ratry Park as part of your warm up now. I'm so disappointed about the state of Ratry Park. What is happening? A project, S0rry, ambassador, Honorable Kujobonsu ye, Shedi so terrible. Fountain I say, and insua kwama adena putobi brain na se for oko other grounds on the compounds. It's so terrible. How? I'm so disappointed, Zuba. And something should be done. This is not funny. Because you can maintenance culture. Ratry Park is our only place, event center. I mean, don't we have managers? Are we saying we cannot get good managers to do the work? Zuba, I am disappointed in you. I want you to come and fix this respectfully. Because airtime, we cry there, and you are binder the asset. This is something I buying a yes I deal with Honorable Kujobonsu yeah I deal with. I mean be descended. And I'm amazed, I am surprised, sir. An event center ye boka a Ratry dia Honorable Kujobonsu boy under John Dramani Mahama ye ma ye nyina na o share there ade aye NTF. My brother Zuba ade we ayofe and yefe aniwu and chere obuo kra emma asanteman, and this is under your watch. This is so embarrassing. Honestly, I'm so embarrassed. Say Ratry Park pana shediaye ye ni mechanism bia ye betimi dia hohoro ena insuo na poto ena tese ade na sei ena nwura fufu mu enti say na project nitie. This was a fountain. It drew a numera. A sunlight a camera in so many splashy camera. I say, and it's been there for over years. I didn't say intimate fix it. Into your boka then. Huh? Zuba, my brother, you'll be held responsible. This is your job, this is your work. Whoever is not managing this place well, you have to make sure say Adiano and when we are fix it. At time, I am a new. This is not a swimming pool. In a fountain, come on. Charlie, here at the end of it. Enna. At the end, a fool say, I'm in Tibincha. At the end, if Enna, I put to be bring a basabasab. And to Mr. Zuba, why ya dear we are, me no be problem. So, what they are sure being Sunday Pacronis one ya. Obviously, I will say, do you problem? You bear the ultimate responsibility. And the good thing is that a wa ban a year, you're a Mahama a year, and Nam Kudubu so a year and a kama. And it will be part of your KPIs. Zuba, if you don't fix it, I'll have a problem with you. This is your job. Ratry Parker say, I had time, baby. I'm a flying in a boo. There was a repair, your repair. Over bare $4 million plus. Charlie Menieu. Regional Minister Honorable Frank Amakweni. Mr. Wade, and you, and your fit, and your fit. What do you say? And your fit. Okay, I didn't tanta. Factory was no more. I didn't. Fountain, I said, the say a boca wo home. It's not right. It's when you're there, you're finding swimming pool and answer it. Charlie, fix it. Fix it. Zuba, fix it. Fix it.
Bunch of human beings.
Exactly.
Now, Joyce Bawa Kroya, she equally participated in the Air Ghana saga.
Okay.
Drama, they are clueless about their own governance.
Okay. So the thing is, if Unima dear Koso Abemu, at least you are the presidency, yes, senior presidential staffer. And BBC cry, you first of all need to cross check. And because even some of us cry any position biano, some information biana obey me their call out. You need to be very, very sure about that so that you can mount a very solid defense for whatever you say. But these are people. Omodi and say pay as you go. The focus is not about go and churning out credible information. No, Omodi and say let's always bring out information to entertain our base. And I don't know if they are that achievement bankruptcy, and I believe they have some achievement bankruptcy because only achievement bankruptcy. Why is it say you can't share what your government has been able to do for the past 2 years? Whatever you are doing is said, and I will share. Yesterday, I dealt with this particular issue. Say, you can't come and tell us, say, Tamale Yendi Road, free abemo. Now it was almost close to 80% completion. So when we say the Adam is about 20%. You can't do 20% and come and tell us that we should praise John Mahama and we should praise Big Push for the 20%. And I say why you cry? You can't come and tell us we should praise Big Push and praise John Mahama. And if that's the case, then we can equally say that we should praise Nanado for Terminal 3 and KJT Market. If that's the way, because I could find in a complete Terminal 3. I could find in a complete KJT Market. And the records are there. But no, we are not achievement. We are not bankrupt when it comes to achievement. There are so many things about media. So we don't need to come and steal someone's project or try our possible best to say oh we near by hook or crook fancy and I have go about on a base who say BB. We serious person and about say such a road within 1 year you've been able to complete such a road. Who is serious individual or gang? And Obeka said within 1 year you've been able to complete such a road. But yes, they know their audience. They know the people that they are dealing with. The people who choose Nkunkiti over digitalization. People who choose Kenke and Fish over digitalization there.
Say Anna Abino will manage you. Say Anna the government will think about you. Say Anna Abino will say, oh, yeah, because you don't think, you don't research, you don't look for fact. Cause someone got something for share and mo base on 6 million. So anytime that they feel like bringing set things out, they should know that we, the 4 million, are there to expose their hypocrisy. We are there to expose their lies and their deception. The Nipa Cr, yes, are supposed to not delete. So the thing Okoshe Joyce Muktari, it is still there. The share no ho, but content in ho because any Nipa Cr no share on Nipa Cr.
And I say I'm a for my mom is cannot to make about cocoa, meaning baby or Virginia. Ratry Cr, I say, I've been Washington, D.C. Washington State. The mama call and second simple no be jubilate. You are more and this phone because your phone is no mushroom. Obey disease. Also, meaning to me, which I may be a cocono.
Well, plenty to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me, Jamaican, say, as someone or can, and just say, and your mabo and through.
But the
Jawa can want it, or my panic can say, was it a body, was it a penny, was it pure water, a costro. And I mean, because inflation above for ma, and can the rate at what things will increase, you know. Dear and penifona minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Caribbean. It has also done a trainer, Ebianca, inflation, and Caribbean yet 3 cities in a Quebec count. Son or more can say the rate at which things will be increasing, a better form. What I say?
Inflation.
On my, Mrs. Sana or more. Yahweh, dear Mimi or my car, Mimi Tessie, and a 2 of Madame Maker. Say, I buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate. 16 advance or the above 14 me boy me come catch say abembi or maybe opeti under single digit piano or more base rate so e ko single digit me boy na say about me can say petrol above for me abano there he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost
what yes aban to me so wo na akofa wa de what yes say and I know asema na ka say pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from
anya aba no de
oh unti dem making me say so what dey buy be all spoke against say I was say ono mu hia ama ono mu hia but nanka we maye no dwadifo no kyerem so omokọ efe say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na omokan yes but say nka ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa maye no omokọ fa ne ma ne ba omotete so ana abanu kreti another environment but say individual entity near so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me so at the end of
what I say
the pastor is asking say he's also asking a legitimate idea adentina sa niam we nyina bi no aban na ye ne de wi na say bonten so for no ye de wi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation be about 0.5 yes now so and never not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year, and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this, and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?